Hi guys, welcome to Titostutor Your Math Pedagogue. On today's video, we're going to be learning multiplication of fractions. In multiplication of fractions, you can only multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. That means you can only do 4 times 3 all over 9 times 4. And this is going to give you 4 times 3 is 12 and 9 times 4 is 36. This is a big fraction. You need to reduce that fraction to its lowest term. As a matter of fact, if you have an answer in a big fraction and you know that there's a factor that can break it down and you don't break it down, you're not done. You need to always break down your answers to the lowest term. So 12 over 36, I can divide this by 12 and divide 36 by 12 as well. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So my final answer to 4 over 9 times 3 over 4 is 1 over 3. Yes, but there's another method you can try that I actually prefer, is to cross divide or vertically divide before you multiply horizontally. That way, you get to break down your fractions before you multiply and you get a simplified answer. Let's try it. Method 2. The question is still 4 over 9 times 3 over 4. So I said you can divide diagonally. If you're dividing diagonally, that means you can divide like this, division, and you can also divide the other way around, division. So 3 and 9, you can find the common factor. 4 and 4, you can find the common factor. You can also divide vertically. Up and down, division, up and down, division. Before you now multiply horizontally, multiply horizontally. Okay? So let's try and see if there's anything that can divide diagonally. 4 and 4 has a common factor 4. So you can actually say 4 here 1, 4 here 1 as well. Then 3 and 9 have a common factor 3. So 3 here 1, 3 here 3. So final answer, 1 multiplied by 1, because you can only multiply horizontally. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And here I have 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Simplified answer without breaking down. 1 over 3. And remember, we got 1 over 3 in the other one we did as well. So these are the two methods you can use to multiply your fractions. All right, here's our second example. Our second example is actually multiplication of mixed numbers. 2 whole number 1 over 5 times 1 whole number 1 over 2. You cannot, because that's common mistakes that my students make. They do 2 times 1, put it in one corner, then do 1 over 5 times 1 over 2. No, don't try that. You cannot multiply whole numbers. You can add or subtract whole numbers first before fraction, but you can't do that with multiplication and division. What you do is actually to change this mixed number into improper fraction first, then change this to improper fraction next. Then you can use the method of multiplication, which is multiply numerators before denominators, or divide diagonally or divide vertically first before you multiply horizontally. Do you understand? Okay, so let's convert. To convert mixed numbers, it is to do whole number multiplied by denominator added to numerator, and your denominator never changes. So let's do that. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, and your denominator never changes. It's still 5. multiply by whole number, multiply by denominator. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 3 all over 2. Denominator never changes. Now, it's time to try and see if anything can divide vertically. 11 and 5, nothing. 3 and 2, nothing. Diagonally, 11 and 2, nothing. 3 and 5, nothing. So you are left to multiplying horizontally. 11 times 3 is 33. And 5 times 2 is 10. Now you have improper fraction. Please, don't leave your answer as improper fraction. Simplify it to mixed numbers. That's more preferable. Yeah, okay. So to do that, you divide. How many 10s do I get in 33? That's 33 divided by 10 is going to give me 3, which is 30. But I'm left with 3. That 3 is my numerator and my denominator never changes. Final answer, 3 whole number, 3 over 10. And I am done. All right. Now, let's do number 3. This time around, 3 fractions are multiplying each other and it's 3 mixed numbers. Remember, they are mixed numbers, so I have to convert to improper fraction first before multiplying. So let's go. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So this is 5 and denominator never changes. Multiply by 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 all over 5 because denominator never changes. Multiply by 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. So this is the same as 36 over 7. Now, I need to check vertically. Is there anything that can divide? Vertically, no. Vertically, no. Vertically, no. Now, diagonally. Diagonally. Can you see? Here is diagonal. Even here to here is actually diagonal. Because I can see 4 and I can see 36. I know 4 is a common factor because 36 divided by 4 is 9 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I'm going to do that first. 1 and 9. Okay, see 14 and 7, diagonal division. So I have 7 here 1, 7 here 2. See diagonal division, 5 and 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. So I am left with 1 times up here is 2 times up here is 9 all over 1 times 1 times 1. This is 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 9 is 18. 18 all over 1 times 1 is 1 times 1 is 1 again. 18 all over 1 is the same as 18 and I am done. So 1 whole number 1 over 4 multiplied by 2 whole number 4 over 5 multiplied by 5 whole number 1 over 7 is actually 18. If you have learned something in this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps me a lot. Like this video, share with anyone you think may need it, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any math video from me. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.